We sent hundreds of thousands of messages on LinkedIn, and I noticed something that completely changed how we do outreach. Messages sent to people who just look like our ideal customer got us 10 to 12% reply rate. But messages sent to people who were actively showing signs relating to my offering, we got more than 25% plus reply rate every single time. Same message, same offer, just the right person at the right time. And honestly, when you see how this works, it feels almost illegal how easy it is to set up. This is exactly what's called signal-based prospecting. Stop reaching out blindly to your ICP and start reaching out to people who already have intent for your offering. The CEO of HubSpot just called this the future of B2B sales. And using this tool, we have been doing this for a year now at scale across hundreds and thousands of LinkedIn conversations. In this video, I am going to show you two most powerful and fully compliant ways to do signal-based prospecting on LinkedIn. You will learn how to legally find these high-intent people from LinkedIn and how to message them in a way that feels so relevant that they almost have no choice but to reply you. Let's get into it. So the very first way to do this is from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Come on your LinkedIn Sales Navigator and just click on Add Filters. Now here we can just select some of the basic filters to get started. For example, in function, I can just select entrepreneurship, business development, and maybe sales. And in seniority, I can select director, owner partner, CXO, VP, and maybe a senior should be good. And perfect. I think we have selected this basic filter, but this is not what signal-based prospecting is, right? But let me show you something interesting what LinkedIn has introduced to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You will see an option of buyer intent. Here, click on the category interest. Now let us type here, for example, AI, conversational AI software, okay? And maybe sales, which is like sales agent. Now you see there are 890,000 people on this particular interest. Now, obviously, this is also like a very huge number, so we can narrow it down further using these two filters as well. Following your company, when I check this, we see 32 profiles, and these are the people who actively follow my company. So people who have somehow saw me on LinkedIn and got to know about our company and they started following us. Or if I deselect this and click on viewed my profile recently, so these are 11 people who have visited my profile recently. So these are the 11 profiles into entrepreneurship, business development, and sales who are a senior position employee at the company. And most importantly, they have interest in conversational AI software and sales agent. And they have also visited my profile recently. So these are some of the quality people that I should be 100% reaching out to them and potentially pitch about my offering, right? So how can we do this at scale and automated? So firstly, we can just check this on. So what it does is if any new profile comes into the same filters, this 11 results would be just refreshed with the new results as well. Now, come to SBL and we can create a new campaign, which is targeting to say a relevant prospect. Click on Add Lead and you see an option of LinkedIn Sales Navigator here. Click on it and click on Create New Audience. Here, let us come to Sales Navigator and copy this URL, come back to SBL, and we paste it. And we can write it like B2B sales conversational AI intent leads. And I can just select a profile which actively has Sales Navigator into it. And here I'll put 100 and just save and import leads. And I click on import. And in some time, this will automatically import say 11 users whosoever are there on this filter. Now we can just select some sender profiles, save and verify, and we can just run this campaign. So this is the first way on how to get intent-based leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And now let me show you the second approach to this. Now, whenever you open LinkedIn, you will see a lot of posts which are being published by some good creators out there. And here, for example, the CEO of HubSpot has talked about some ICP and signal-based targeting. So in this post, you can just see like there are more than 1,788 people who reacted on this post, and there are 414 comments on this post. And these are some people who have very genuine interest and excited about this topic in general. And you can see like people have engaged and share about their experience and their thoughts on the signal-based targeting and prospecting. Now, these 414 comments are something of my interest because this clearly is related to this post, and all the people here are kind of quality prospects, even the likes of the post. But for example, for this video, how we can target all these 414 people. So what I'll do, I'll copy this link of the post, come to SBL, and in the add leads itself, I can click on comment to DM. I can just paste this URL, and instead of any comment, I can choose like positive replies. So what it will do is it will just scan all of the comments on this post, and whosoever has a positive reply towards signal-based prospecting or this post in general, this will automatically fetch those comments, those profiles, and reach out to them. But there could be some junk leads as well, which are not in our ICP. So what we can do is we can click on ICP filter and just select here decision makers in US building B2B startup. And I could just make it like a strong only match and update it. So now what is going to happen is any person, even a new prospect who comments on this post, they will automatically be fetched to this campaign, and our ICP filter will judge if the person is a decision maker in USA and building a B2B startup. When it matches, it will automatically send that message or our outreach message to the prospect. So this is the outreach message, and here we could personalize this in a way that we could write like prospect first name. I saw your comment on Yamini's HubSpot CEO post on signal-based prospecting. We are building SBL, which helps you target the right prospects on their intent. Happy to connect. And we can even personalize this even more, adding a variable here, which is like, say, post related or profile related. So what it will do is, basis on some of their recent posts or their profile, it will craft some personalized variables or message, and it will fit into it. I'll mention it something like this: profile related one line comment. So what it will do is it will follow this, and then here it will place something relevant based on some of the recent posts that they have did on their LinkedIn. And if I just update this and we can just run this off. So this is exactly how you can target your prospect based on their intent. And this is the first part of the video. And in the second part of the video, I'll show you some more powerful ways to target your high quality leads based on their intent. So if this video was helpful, do check some of my more recent videos on B2B and marketing. Thanks for watching.